the focusing? Oh, that's why. There we go. What I hear?
Brody's scared of the 6.
What are those?
Good view. Never water. Me either. Oh my goodness. That's a good idea. Oh, you got those two? Everybody got them, right?
Right, guys, Charlie, listen, guys. Guys, I'm gonna give you some information about. Where is it? More time right there. Usually normal we spend like 30 or 40 minutes, but if we want to spend like an hour and a half or 2 hours, let's do it, guys. Also for Fuego. What big one?
You can see it from here as well.
More far away. That is from.
Yay!
Guys, please try and stay together.
Big explosion, Nick.
Oh.
Holy fuego.
Holy flag.
That's 2001. I don't know what I did, but I did something.
Please. Do it, do it. Oh, look, do it.
Oh,
Do it! Oh my God!
like a boot.
Oh! Voy a tomar un ya fue.
Wichos? Ah, sí,
¿Prende el iPhone, hermano? It's clear, nene, it's clear.
Fuego. Fuego.
It's clear, Laro, it's clear.
Dude, it's steaming, it's steaming.
Clear. Come on, Fuego.
Fuego.
Please do it, Fuego.
Play some Rufus the Soul.
I saw if there happens something over there, all over. They go for you also.
Okay.
Grandma, have you Strava this and yesterday together?
Yeah, I could have done, but I felt like cheating.
Oh no way.
This was us all of yesterday.
And we worked out it was pretty much every other one.
The next one's going to be a big one.